If we get any impacts at all, it's still a big if, but if we do, it would be next Tuesday. So we're about 3.5, 4 days away from that. This isn't a question, as some cases it is with storms, how strong is the ridge going to be? What's the timing of the trough coming in? You think back to storms like Irma and Dorian. Those were the big questions, right? That's not the case here. We're pretty confident we'll have something moving towards our state early next week. It's all about this area in between, right? All the islands, the higher elevations of those islands, and the history that they have with kind of tearing storms apart. So the key will be, for this storm to stay strong, will be to avoid a lot of those mountain peaks, especially on the island of Hispaniola. Haiti and the Dominican Republic has mountain heights well over 10,000 feet. So if this thing kind of tracks right over it or kind of clips a little bit, it's really going to weaken it quite a bit, and it will be tough for it to get reorganized with more land interaction down the road over Cuba. If it kind of stays on that southerly track, which, say, the GFS has been pointing to recently, and really for all along, it's been kind of moving it south of that, shooting the gap with Jamaica, and then we still have a hurricane approaching Cuba, that could certainly find a low terrain area over Cuba to cross and move into the southeastern Gulf, and then we got a bigger problem, right? Because we got a strong storm entering the Gulf. I think if this can remain fairly intact and get into the Gulf, it's going to find some strengthening headed northward. Now, there's still models that bring this far way out west towards Mobile, Pensacola. There's models that have it way east of the Bahamas. This is just kind of the general consensus. There's a high forecast uncertainty still with this. And what's going to be key is, again, that land interaction over the weekend. We're going to have a lot better idea of any impacts around our state, the timing and location of those impacts, possible impacts, probably by Sunday morning. At that point, we'll be able to start talking details again if we're going to have any impacts.